So what are we going to do today?
We're going to do the France package.
From Little Passports?
Yeah. You might have seen the Egyptian one.
Yeah, we did an Egyptian one.
Yeah.
You're right. So this one's going to be France. On here it does say there's a canvas painting, one letter, an activity booklet, a sticker sheet, a country coin, and a book.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and open it up.
I'm gonna do this.
Ooh,
Yeah.
look at all that. All right, there's nothing left in here.
Ooh, canvas.
Wow, look at this little book. It's from Little Passports and the Sea Captain's Compass. That's another little booklet here. And it's got about 103 pages. It gives you some French terms in the back. Like artiste would be like artist. And then, so yeah, it comes with a little booklet here. And it comes with that really cool thing. And we got some country stamps here. And
I already put the coin in.
we already put the coin in. So here we go. These are our different countries that we're doing this year. So it gives you France, and it says Paris is the home to many landmarks, including the historic church called Bastille des Sacrés-Cœurs. It is the Sacred Heart of Paris, a commemorative monument called the Arc de Triomphe, and the world's famous Eiffel Tower. So today it looks like we're gonna do a canvas. Here's some stickers. Here's your France paint kit. So we're gonna do a little painting for you today. So looks like we got here some paint. We're gonna do some painting. What are you gonna paint?
A tank.
You're gonna paint a tank? Oh my goodness, going into France? They're gonna think it's World War II. So while we're getting that, there's like this France paint kit, little pamphlet. It gives you some French painting styles. So paint your canvas using these well-known French paintings as inspiration. Experiment with different brushstrokes, composition, and color. And then it gives you this little indicator. It tells you brush strokes. Paint in quick brush strokes and focus on the colors and shapes made by the light.
This is easy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So it's got
What
you
did I do?
Yeah. So it got you an easel. So this goes in the back. And it goes like this. And you can put your canvas there. Alright. So it looks like we got some
Paint colors.
Paint colors. That's really cool. And we got ourselves some water.
Yeah.
So
Because it's dried up paint.
yeah. So go ahead. And let's paint practice on painting. While I read a little bit about France. So in this, we got a little booklet, some stickers, and then of course your coin. And then we get to put our stamp in our passport. So, can you show me the French flag? Alright, so we are going to go ahead and put our France flag onto our country of stamps. Alright, so here's our country of stamps so far that we've done. You've gone to a lot of different countries.
We only done 3 countries.
We've done 3 countries, that's right.
That's not a lot.
So France right here says desserts to try, which I bet you guys have all tried once or twice. Got some eclairs, some madeleines, some macaroons, some crepes, and then words in French is salut, which is hi, merci, which is thank you, Au revoir, which is goodbye, and ami, which is friend. So bonjour, explorer. You'll never believe where the red scooter took us today. Paris, France. The streets of Paris are so busy that no one even noticed us zooming by, especially in a tank. We traveled along the river called Seine, which flows through France. In Paris, there are 37 bridges that cross the Seine River, so you can easily get from one side to the other side. We saw so many amazing things, including a glass pyramid, which we just did Egypt. So we did a pyramid not too long ago. Yeah. But you did do a little dig site for a pyramid. And then suddenly there was the Eiffel Tower, one of the most famous landmarks in the whole world. And this is right here. Even though the battery in the red scooter was running low, we had to stop and check it out. The Eiffel Tower is majestic monument made from iron. It's more than 1,000 feet tall. Sam took pictures of it on each side and even underneath. There were lots of tourists doing the same thing, and even more taking pictures inside the tower. There are 674 stairs to climb to get to the second floor, which is the highest spot of the tower open to public. So here's some different things. And we got a baguette down here. There's some escargot, which is snails. Here's the Eiffel Tower and the Seine River. Yeah, look there. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
And then on this other side, it shows you places to visit, which would be the Louvre Museum, Palace de Versailles, Arc de Triomphe, and Monet's Garden at Givry. There's a Tour de France, which is a famous bicycle race that happens every year. And then here's some pictures. Here's the palace in Versailles. So that's pretty cool to learn a bunch of different things about Paris, France. And then
I am done.
You are done? All right. We're going to keep that on here. So go ahead. Show everybody your tank. Ta-da! Wow, you're such a great artist. What's the red on there?
Those are tiny birds.
Those are tiny birds?
Yeah.
So what's the yellow over here?
It's the sun.
It's the sun. And the blue?
The sky.
And what's that?
A tank.
It's a tank. Okay, and we got a tank going through Paris, France. Let's see, what else do we have here? There shows you traveling through Paris. And then some French artists over here. It gives you a recipe for like a dessert over here. That's pretty much it. For this edition of little passports around the world. Was there anything that you learned today?
There's no tank.
There's no tanks. Well, how did you like about painting on your little canvas?
Good.
All right. Well, thank you very much, everybody. Like and subscribe.
Bye.